without the hassle of cords or wires, making your pruning tasks a walk in the park. A cordless pruner is essentially a gardener's best friend. It's meticulously designed to simplify the laborious task of cutting branches, stems, and unruly foliage. Its primary mission? To ensure that your garden or landscape looks impeccably maintained, as though a professional gardener has taken charge. One of the outstanding features of cordless pruners is their cordless freedom. Bid farewell to the days of wrestling with tangled cords or embarking on a treasure hunt for that elusive power outlet in your garden. These pruners provide a liberating experience, enabling you to move and prune freely without any limitations. It's akin to liberating your gardening chores from the shackles of wires. The cutting power of cordless pruners is truly impressive. Armed with sharp blades and a motorized mechanism, they effortlessly slice through branches and stems, minimizing the effort required on your part. It's like having a garden ninja in your hands, discreetly and efficiently performing its duties. These pruners are precision instruments, enabling you to target specific branches or stems without causing harm to the surrounding foliage. They are like the skilled surgeon's scalpel for your garden, ensuring your plants receive the exact care they need, no more and no less. Many cordless pruners are rechargeable, meaning you won't have to worry about constantly buying and replacing batteries. They are essentially self-sustaining garden tools, always ready for action after a quick charge, like a loyal and ever-ready sidekick. The user-friendly design of cordless pruners is thoughtfully crafted to prioritize your comfort. Lightweight and ergonomically shaped, they're perfect for extended pruning sessions without risking discomfort or strain. It's as if they're designed with your comfort in mind, like the most thoughtful gardening tool in your shed. Compared to traditional gas-powered pruners, cordless ones are quieter and produce fewer vibrations. It's like having a considerate neighbor in the world of gardening tools, ensuring your outdoor activities don't disrupt the peace and quiet of your garden haven. Many of these pruners come with safety features, including a two-step start or a lock mechanism to prevent accidental activation. They're like a guardian angel for your fingers, ensuring that your pruning sessions are smooth and accident-free. The versatility of these pruners is another remarkable aspect. They can handle a wide range of tasks, from trimming small branches to meticulously pruning rose bushes or grapevines. They are like a multi-tool for your gardening needs, reducing the number of tools cluttering your shed and simplifying your gardening chores. For avid gardeners, a cordless pruner can bring a sense of gardening bliss. It transforms what could be a laborious task into an enjoyable and efficient activity, ensuring that you look forward to your time in the garden. It's like having a gardening companion that turns pruning from a chore into a joyous experience. Precise cutting offered by cordless pruners promotes better plant health by minimizing tearing or crushing of plant tissue, reducing the risk of disease and encouraging healthy growth. It's like having a personal plant doctor, ensuring that your garden flourishes and remains in peak condition. Moreover, for seniors or individuals with reduced hand strength, cordless pruners are a game changer, making gardening more accessible and enjoyable. They allow individuals who might otherwise struggle with manual pruning tools to enjoy their time in the garden, like a key to a beautiful garden that's easier to turn. With the precise cutting these pruners offer, you can create beautiful topiaries, sculpted hedges, and precise shapes that add an artistic touch to your outdoor space. It's like having a sculptor's chisel at your disposal, adding a touch of artistry to your garden, turning it into an outdoor gallery. It's not just about function. A cordless pruner can elevate the overall look of your garden. It's like adding a piece of modern art to your outdoor oasis, turning your pruning sessions into an artistic expression of your style and personality, like a brushstroke in your garden's canvas.